2021 Porsche Panamera Turbo SE Hybrid revealed with 689 horsepower, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. If you want the power of a Porsche that seats more than two comfortably that isn't an SUV, the Panamera has been the go-to car from the German automaker. For those looking for speed and precision that can be shared with a group, Porsche took the wraps off 3 updated versions of the Panamera, including the 689 horsepower Turbo SE Hybrid, the second most powerful Porsche available for sale. The plug-in Turbo SE Hybrid sports a 4-liter twin-turbo V8 engine that makes 563 horsepower, compared to the 550 horsepower in the previous version of the vehicle, combined with an electric 134 horsepower motor, bringing the total to 689 horsepower. Porsche says a Sport Chrono package on the sedan and Sport Turismo variants of the vehicle will allow it to hit 60 miles per hour in 3 seconds. The executive version will get to 60 in 3.1 seconds. All will have a top speed of 196 miles per hour. The automaker also shared details of the updated 2021 Panamera 4e Hybrid. The vehicle will house a 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6. It will also receive the 134 horsepower electric motor. The 4e Hybrid with the Sport Chrono package is claimed to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.2 seconds, besting the previous version of the car by 0.2 seconds. This brings Porsche's Panamera plug-in hybrid count to 3, including the already unveiled Panamera 4 SE Hybrid. Each is available as a sedan, a long-wheelbase executive model, or a wagonesque Sport Turismo. All versions have received an updated battery with a capacity increase. On the traditional side, the 2021 Panamera 4S makes 449 horsepower from its 2.9-liter twin-turbo V6. The Sport Chrono package will push it from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 3.9 seconds, Porsche claims, with a top speed of 183 miles per hour. All the new models feature Porsche's 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, PDK, and all are available at dealerships.
Subscribe to Auto TV.